Hi everybody, today we're making chocolate oatmeal monkey bars.
Oh my god, are we really? I can't wait to make.
Me too.
Alright, let's get started. Okay, Chef Avee, so we're gonna take melted butter.
Yeah.
And we're gonna mix it with maple syrup and eggs. We're gonna put
Yeah.
all that in a bowl.
Okay, so first we're gonna put eggs. Yeah. Then the maple syrup. And then
The melted butter.
yeah. Then just
And then you can whisk it up, Chef Avee.
yeah.
Whisk it up. Did you know that comes from a tree?
Mhm.
The maple syrup? Do you know what kind of tree?
Yeah.
What kind of tree?
Maple tree.
Yes.
That's why it's called maple syrup.
Exactly. Okay, so next, Avee, you're gonna add the flour.
Okay.
Yeah, this one is actually a whole wheat flour.
Yeah.
Yeah, dump it in there.
If you want, you can use any kind of flour.
Yeah, you can use a pastry flour.
Okay.
All right, next you're gonna add the baking soda, cinnamon, and salt.
Yeah.
So show the camera. Yeah, we put it all in there. Perfect, let's add it. And then, what's the last thing you're gonna add to that?
Oatmeal.
Yes, let's add it. Perfect, and now we're gonna mix it up.
It is chocolate.
That's the fun part, mixing everything together.
Yeah, I love it.
Doesn't that look amazing, Avee?
Yeah.
Wow. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Monkey.
Monkey who?
Monkey. We're just monkeying around making some chocolate oatmeal monkey bars.
Yeah.
All right, so now you're gonna add the dark chocolate because it isn't monkey bars without the dark chocolate.
Mm-hmm.
Ay, ay, ay.
Wow.
Woo! Mm.
Yeah.
Okay, let's mix this up.
Yeah.
Let me see your monkey dance. Can you jump like a monkey? Woo! Yeah, there you go. Do you like raw cookie dough?
Yeah.
Oh my god, when I was a kid, it was like my favorite thing. When I would bake with my mom, I'd always like lick the paddle or lick the spatula. Or I think she used to use a wooden spoon. It was covered in cookie dough. It was so good. Whoa, that's so good. All right, and then we have a rectangular tray here that we put some parchment paper inside. And we're gonna dump our batter inside, or our cookie dough. It's basically a baked cookie dough.
Yeah.
Just kind of. All right, we got the cookie dough in the pan, and we're gonna put it in the oven.
Yay.
Here we go. And we're gonna bake it for 40 minutes or until it's golden brown on top. But about 40 minutes at 325. Okay, I think it's done here.
Yeah.
Check it out, guys. Okay, we're gonna let this cool now, okay?
Yeah.
Cool.
We'll watch a movie.
Yeah.
Wow.
Let's do
And
it.
then when it's finished, we'll eat it.
Yes. Looks good, huh, Levi?
Yum.
So yeah, so we're gonna slice this up and we're gonna eat it.
I already got a piece.
Is it good?
Mm.
Oh wow, that looks so good. So what do you think, Chef Avee?
Good.
That looks really. So what do you think? Thumbs up? 2 thumbs up. Perfect.